guys, Naturally Marked here, and today I'm going to be doing a bentonite hair clay mask for my natural mini braids. So if you're interested in this video, then just keep watching. So I just wanted to get really close really quick just to show you guys the state of the ends of my hair really quick. They're really fuzzy. It needs to be washed. I want to kind of tame some of the frizz, so I am going to clarify my hair this time using the bentonite clay mixed in with apple cider vinegar. This is my first time doing this on my mini braids. I normally do mayo and eggs mask on my braids, so I know that the bentonite clay is not gonna hurt it or anything like that. So I am going to go rinse out my hair really quick, and I'll be right back to apply the mask. Okay, you guys, so I am gonna mix the Indian Healing Clay Mask in with the apple cider vinegar. I'm going to take about 1.5 cups of the clay mask, and I'm also going to just take about another 1.5 cups with the apple cider vinegar and mix it very well. Now, one thing that I have to say that I did wrong is I made the mask too thick for my braids. Y'all didn't see that. Y'all just did not see that. So close your eyes. I'm gonna clean this up real quick. But I am gonna tell you guys, I believe I made the mask too thick. It just was a little bit more difficult to wash out of my hair. With this particular mask, if you do it for your mini braids, avoid the scalp. I've said that about my avocado and banana hair mask. If you have a really thick consistency of like a product like this, you always want to avoid your scalp. But I just wanted to see if it would be difficult with washing it out of my mini braids, and it was difficult to wash it out on my scalp. So I will most definitely do this treatment again for my mini braids, but I will make it a lot more runnier. It will be more of a runnier consistency than a paste consistency, if that makes sense. So I did not apply this mask on dry hair. I did go rinse out my hair just to make it a little bit more pliable to spread over my mini braids. And I am going to say it again. You guys would want to avoid your scalp when doing this and make your clay a watery consistency so that it's not difficult to wash out of your hair. My hair felt very hydrated, moisturized. It felt stronger on the ends of my hair. The mask is great. It was just difficult to wash out of my hair on my scalp. So I am going to show a video of the buildup that it did leave because I didn't get it all out of my scalp. I didn't get the conditioner off of my scalp, and then I went in with the melanin hair care line and I put that on my hair as well as flaxseed gel. So I had a pretty build-up mess, and I'm going to show you guys how to correct that and get buildup out of your hair. Simple and easy, so you don't freak out and feel like you have to cut all of your hair off. I did put this mask or this clay on my face as a mask. I can tell you guys right now, I did not like this clay on my face as a mask. It felt like it took too much of the moisture out of my face, and I like doing a egg white face mask or even the black charcoal face mask better than this bentonite clay. I've seen it a couple of times and I just wanted to give it a try, but I will not be putting this clay mask on my face ever again because it just made my skin extremely dry. So what you're seeing me do right now is just trying to rinse out and squeeze the clay out of my hair. Like I said before, the clay came out of my braids pretty easy, but my other struggle was I ran out of cold water, y'all. I just can't lie to y'all. I ran out of cold water. So, I mean hot water, not cold water. So it was real difficult because I got cold and I just did not have enough hot water to continue to wash out my hair. So I was almost kind of rushing the process, and I knew that I should have took my time a little bit more, but because I had ran out of hot water, and y'all know how I hate getting in and out of the shower, I was just like, okay. I looked in the mirror. I really didn't see too much product in my hair, and I was thinking, okay, it'll be fine, but wrong. it was a lot of buildup in my hair from not properly rinsing this mask out of my hair. So now that I've rinsed the mask out of my hair, you guys just seen me put in my first conditioning step just to kind of loosen up more of the clay, and now I am going to go in with a second helping of conditioner, and this time I'm going to put my infused rosemary oil on the top of that and leave this in as a deep conditioner for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I did get out of the shower and I got back in the shower and the hot water ran out again. So by this point I was just over it. I was cold, I was done. So I should have just took my time because this was a great treatment. I'm looking right now like it's cold as hell. It's cold as hell and I was done. So I'm rinsing my hair out, thinking that I got it all out of my head, but once again I didn't. But don't be afraid to do this clay mask to your mini braids. I am squeezing my hair just to get more of the product out of my hair. This would have worked if I still had a lot more hot water, so I don't want you guys to be afraid to do a bentonite clay mask on your mini braids. You guys, you can do anything you want to do, like type of treatments you want to do with your mini braids. Just make sure you wash it all out. Tip number 1, don't put it on your scalp. Tip number 2, make sure your consistency is more watery than a clay base. But these are the ends of my hair. This is the end result. As you can see, my ends are not fuzzy anymore and they just don't look wild, but you can see slight white still in my braids and on my scalp, and that's what caused the buildup with me putting more product on it. So I hope you guys like this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Try it at your own risk. Thank you guys so much. Bye.